In this video, you'll learn how to book urgent services on Wecasa. By following these steps, you will be able to secure the service you need in a timely manner. Start by navigating to the Wecasa website or opening the Wecasa app on your device. If you are not already logged in, you will need to enter your credentials, provide your email address and password, then click on the login button. After logging in successfully, you will be directed to your dashboard where you can access various services. Next, look for the service category that you need urgently. Options include massage, hair, beauty, and cleaning. Click on the category that corresponds to the service you are looking for. This will take you to a page displaying all available services within that category. Once you are on the service page, select the specific service you wish to book. After clicking on the service, a new screen will appear, providing you with detailed information about that service. Take a moment to review the details before proceeding. Now, you will need to enter your full address. This is crucial for the service provider to reach you. Fill in the required fields accurately. After entering your address, click on Continue or the equivalent button to move to the next step. Following this, choose the earliest available date for your service. If you need the service urgently, you might find that same-day appointments are available. Select the date that works best for you and then choose the earliest available time slot. This will ensure that you receive the service as soon as possible. After selecting the date and time, review the pricing information displayed on the screen. Take note of the total cost and any additional fees that may apply. This ensures that you are aware of the financial commitment before finalizing your booking. Next, choose your preferred payment method. Options may include credit card, debit card, or other payment systems available on the platform. Select the method that suits you best and enter the necessary payment details. Once you've confirmed your payment method, click on the button labeled Book My Session. This action will finalize your booking. You should see a confirmation message or screen indicating that your session is successfully booked. Lastly, check your dashboard for the booking confirmation. You will receive a notification that the professional has been alerted about your appointment. This ensures that your urgent service is prioritized and will be attended to promptly.